In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to add a non-Steam game to Steam. Begin by opening Steam and click the Add a Game button in the bottom left corner and select Add a Non-Steam Game. Steam will display a list of programs installed on your computer. If your game appears, check the box beside it and click Add Selected Programs. If the game isn't listed, you can hit Browse, navigate to the folder where the game is installed. For example, games installed through the Epic Games Launcher may be inside the Epic Games folder, but you can open the Games folder, select its application type, then click Open. And you can check the newly added program and select Add Selected Programs. Finally, open your Steam library, find a game, and click Play to launch it through Steam. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.